Hi, my name is Jack, and my project is if a bell-pepper plant grows better in the shade or the sun. And hold on. Okay. And my rationale was that the research is pretty important because I wanted to know if a vegetable plant in Florida would grow better in the sun or the shade. And usually plants grow better in the sun, but since it's in Florida and there's a lot of humidity, I thought it might grow better in the shade. So that's why I wanted to do this experiment. And this is just my question or problem, and how well will a vegetable plant grow in the sun versus the shade? My methodology was that I just put three plants inside, or three plants outside in the shade, and three plants inside. Or, oh yeah, three plants outside in the shade, and three plants outside in the sun. And I watered them every day with the same amount. And I checked on them I measured them and weighed them every week, but I checked how many peppers were on there every day. And I, and they've grown a lot over 1 month. They grew about, I think it was 6 inches, somewhere around there. And my data and data analysis was just to find the mean of all the groups tested and the standard deviation for all of them and all that stuff, a t-test and all that other stuff. So that's just what I did for this. And in conclusion, plants in the sun grew better than the plants in the shade, which is kind of obvious, but I wanted to run this test because maybe the ones in the shade would grow better. And some limitations I had was that one of my plants died during, or some of my plants died during experimentation. All three of my plants that were in the shade died, so I couldn't really do my experiment that well. And also, I had to assume that all my plants were healthy before starting, which I was pretty sure they were, but I'm not 100%, so we'll never know. But they look pretty good to me. And if I were to do this project again, I would change the plants. Like I would put them, maybe one in a colder environment, probably like in Georgia or somewhere down there, where it's a lot colder and it might snow or something like that. And that's it. Thank you.